Nickelodeon Paw Patrol, Pup Foo Power. It was a special day for Farmer Yumi's martial arts students. The Paw Patrol, Mayor Goodway, and Chicoletta were all gathered in her barn, eager to earn their Pup Foo yellow belts. "Students, are you ready?" asked Farmer Yumi. The pups lined up and bowed to their sensei. One by one, the pups showed off their moves. Rocky twirled a staff, and Marshall spun. Sky kicked high, and Rubble stood tall. Zuma was ready for action. Chase announced, "And now I will, chew! I'm sorry, I'm a little allergic to kittens?" It was the Catastrophe crew from Foggy Bottom. They had snuck into Farmer Yumi's barn. Mayor Humdinger had brought his team of mischievous kittens to prove that their catjitsu was better than Pup Foo. "Pup Foo rules, catjitsu drools," Mayor Goodway said, folding her arms. "And there's nothing like Hen Kiddo." "What?" Chicoletta clucked in her agreement and gave a quick kick. "It's not about which art is superior," Farmer Yumi said. "The point is for all pups, kittens, mayors, and chickens to do their best." Mayor Humdinger clapped his hands, and his Catastrophe crew sprang into action. They jumped and kicked and rolled on balls. One kitten headed for the zip line. "I'll show you how a Pup Foo master uses a zip line," Marshall said as he jumped up and grabbed the cord. Whee! A mechanical claw belonging to one mischievous kitten popped out of his pack and hooked onto the line. Zing! Marshall went flying. Marshall crashed to the ground. "Are you okay?" Rubble asked. "Sure," Marshall replied. "A Pup Foo master always knows exactly how to land when they fall." "For the next part of our belt test, we will have sparring," Farmer Yumi said. The pups and kittens began to spar. Marshall and a kitten in blue bowed and they sprang into action. Marshall jumped and spun through the air. The kitten launched a ball of yarn from her pack. "Whoa!" Marshall yelped as he fell to the floor. His legs were wrapped in yarn. "Pup Foo?" Mayor Humdinger snickered. "That looks like pup fail." It was time to award the belts. Farmer Yumi gave each pup a golden yellow belt. She was proud of them and their dedication to Pup Foo. Your extra hard work would please the ancient masters. But there were no belts for the kittens. "Mayor Humdinger," Farmer Yumi said, "until your kittens learn to control themselves and their tools, I'm afraid they cannot earn their yellow belts." "Hooray for the Paw Patrol!" Ryder cheered. They were all good pups, and they were all very good sports.